Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com, and Apple's Worldwide Developer Conference WWDC begins tomorrow. So the WWDC event will go on from the 5th of June until the 9th of June in San Jose, California. In case you don't know, WWDC is Apple's developer conference, just like Google I/O is Google's developer conference. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down 5 things that we can expect Apple to unveil at WWDC 2017. So without wasting any more time, hit that subscribe button if you aren't subscribed to Andro already, and let's get started with today's video. The first thing we can expect Apple to unveil at this event is software. Obviously, this is called a developer conference for a reason. There are going to be quite a lot of developers at WWDC, so we can expect Apple to unveil iOS 11, the next version of macOS, macOS 10.13, tvOS 11, as well as watchOS 4. The good thing here is that we'll be getting betas, so we can try out these softwares immediately after the event. Talking a bit about these 4 platforms, actually for iOS 11 we can expect a design overhaul because we didn't see a big change to iOS since iOS 7. I'm talking about the design, and also we can expect changes to Siri, which I will talk about in a bit. And rumor has it that Apple will be introducing group FaceTime functionality on iOS 11 as well, and I'm personally waiting for better customization on iOS as always. And next, talking about macOS, rumor has it that the next version of macOS will start with the letter M, and Apple's own file system might debut on the macOS platform this time as well. And as usual, we will see other performance improvements as well as Siri integration a lot more deeply into the system. Talking about watchOS, we can expect performance improvements as well as battery life improvements going on watchOS, and some other neat little things here and there as well. Talking about tvOS, we can expect multi-user support as well as picture-in-picture integration onto the software. And since this is Apple's developer conference, we can expect Apple to showcase Swift a lot more and showcase some of the cool new stuff there as well. And talking about other software, we will definitely see an improvement to Apple Music this time around as well. The second thing on the list is an update to Siri. I'm not just talking about a minor update here, I'm talking about a major overhaul to Siri, because Apple haven't really given thought and updated Siri since originally launching it with the iPhone 4S. So this time around we will see greater implementation of Siri throughout iOS as well as throughout the macOS ecosystem, because voice assistants are really kicking off right now with Samsung having Bixby, Google having Google Assistant. Siri really needs to step up its game, so that's why I think Apple will definitely overhaul Siri this time around. The third thing on the list is a Siri speaker. Just like Google has Google Home and Amazon has the Amazon Echo, definitely this time around the rumor has it that Apple will be coming out with its own speaker. And according to the rumor, this smart speaker will look a lot like the trash can Mac Pro, and it might have a display built in as well, and it will obviously have a speaker. And this smart speaker will be powered by Siri, and if Apple overhauls Siri this time around, it will be deeply integrated into the system, and we can expect that hefty Apple price in this as well, but still people will go and buy this, and we can expect Apple to unveil this smart speaker at WWDC. The fourth thing on the list is new Macs. Rumor has it that Apple will be coming out with a new MacBook Pro, MacBook, as well as an update to the MacBook Air. So since Apple just redesigned the MacBook Pro, I don't think Apple will be coming out with a new design to it this time around. It'll be more of a spec bump. So we will see Apple updating the MacBook Pro to the Kaby Lake 7th generation processors, as well as we might finally get to see a 32GB RAM model of the MacBook Pro as well. And definitely with the MacBook and the MacBook Air, we will see spec bumps as well as other minor improvements here and there. So you can stay tuned to Andro.com to learn all about the changes coming soon. The fifth and final thing on the list is an update to iPads. Rumor has it that this time around Apple will be unveiling a 10.5-inch iPad model and also making improvements to the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. So possibly we will see a spec bump there. If you're waiting to buy an iPad, stay tuned to Andro.com because I'll be bringing you all the latest news from WWDC. Well guys, that's basically it when it comes to what Apple will unveil at WWDC. All of this is according to rumors, and I personally can't wait for the new MacBook Pro as well as the latest version of macOS. Go ahead and drop a comment down below and let me know what you are most excited to see Apple unveil at WWDC tomorrow. Definitely go ahead and hit that like button if you found this video useful. If this is the first $100 video you're watching on YouTube, you can go ahead and go to my channel and subscribe for more tech videos like this, and you can enable notifications by hitting that little bell icon next to the subscribe button. So stay tuned to Andro.com for all the latest from the tech world, and follow me on social media. I'm at Andro. All the links are given in the description below. So stay tuned to Andro.com because I'll be coming out with all the latest details on WWDC. Well guys, that's about it for this video. Share this video with your friends, and until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.